Hey, want to learn how to send emojis with sound in Messenger? Well, this tutorial today is for you. My name is Steph and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits using social media strategies that actually work. Let's dive right into this. Okay, so we're gonna pop open Facebook here, and then I'm just gonna click this Messenger button. I could also just go straight to Messenger. Now, to send a sound, all that you're gonna do is come down here and you can click to start typing if you want, but you don't even have to do that. You can just click the little smiley face button, and then you're gonna see the star, the little picture smiley face, the GIF button, and then all the way over here is the sound button. And here, if you hit that blue button that says send, it's gonna send it immediately. But here you can see all these different emojis, and they all have a sound attached to it. Now, if you wanna try it out to see what it sounds like. So for instance, what does the ghost sound like? Can you hear that? Okay, and then let's do... Congratulations! So some of them are fun because they're like music sounds, different things like that. Laughing. Personally, I love the goat. As you're testing them out here, so what you'll see is when I hit it to hear what it sounds like, then it pops it into that spot where then you could hit sound, okay? Crickets, I think this is clever. So you can go through, see a bunch of different ones, but it's kind of fun. I would just say like ways you could use this for business. Say you've sent a prospect some information that they asked for products and you're checking in with them the next morning to see if they have questions. You could send the sun. Good morning. Send the sun and then say, hey, checking in to see, what questions you have for me about the products. If a teammate hit a new rank, of course, you could use something like this. Congratulations. Or if someone's having a birthday and you just want to pop into their inbox, it's your birthday. Hit the emoji that has the party hat. If you want to stop someone, again, just be like, no.
Very cool. Cool.
So I like it. So test it out. Let me know in the comments which sound is your favorite one. Use it, and then on the receiving end, what's gonna happen is the person's gonna get something that just says, hey, tap to play a sound. So let me do this again, pop in here. I'm gonna go all the way over to the sound button. I am gonna send the bleeding goat. That is my dog whining, ignore marathon. And then, if you come here, for the person that gets it, it's gonna say tap to play a sound. And it just plays a sound when they tap it. Kind of cool, huh? And that is how to send an emoji with sound in Messenger.
Very cool. Cool.
For more fun, pop on over to www.stephanieparisi.com to check out some other things that'll help you win on social media. In the meanwhile, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take a moment and check out either of these videos, lots of other more fun tutorials on this channel just for you. Let me know if there's a tutorial you want me to make you on how to use social media.